What's up, guys? Crazy Black 108 here, and I'm back with another video. And the cell phone thing I'm just gonna keep on using her till I'm done. Another video, a lot of content the past couple days, huh? Hey, y'all like that? It's called I Have Freedom, and I have the day off, so that makes the difference. So yeah, that's the thing. So I got a box here that I ordered from Best Buy. I'm happy it came in an actual box because, as I know, some people have been having issues where Best Buy doesn't box stuff up. So I'm going to unbox what's inside here for y'all. Give y'all a look at what I purchased and picked up. So, with quarantine being a thing, you got to find ways to, be active. And quarantine kind of being over, but at the same time, you're like, it's not over because y'all didn't actually. All right, anyways. So I decided to purchase something for myself. As a little treat to myself, but also there's this game coming out, and we'll talk about that more in a second. So, inside this box, ooh, heavy boys, is none other than the PlayStation VR Ironman box set. This comes with the headset, move controllers, and the camera, and the Ironman VR video game. So, let's open this up. So now, as you see, I got a PlayStation VR. I can tell y'all what, and I mean, you can tell by the title, but I can tell y'all what game's coming out that made me decide to get a VR finally, and it's Star Wars Squadrons. That game being fully playable in VR changed the game for me. I had to cop a VR. I was planning on copping a VR. I was planning on getting an Oculus, actually, or was it an Oculus? I was planning on getting whichever one is the one that's one of the ones that is wireless fully, because I thought it was dope, because I want to play Vader Immortal. But then I also heard Vader Immortal is coming to PlayStation VR. I was like, oh, I'm tempted, but it's probably gonna be a PlayStation VR too. PS5 come out this year. I said I should wait. But then that trailer came out for X-Wing Squadrons. I mean, stuff for Star Wars, Squadrons, and I'm just like, okay, I'll bite. So I bit. So I figured, let's do a full unboxing of this on camera for you guys. And here, I'll take these two boxes out, but let me read to you what's on the back here, okay? So this says, live the game. Quest through fantasy realms, explore deep space, and step inside thrilling virtual worlds you'll want to return to again and again. Discover over 500 immersive games and breathtaking experiences available on PlayStation VR today. Ironman Vr is what comes in here. It says, suit up as Iron Man, fire up the armored Avengers' repulsor jets, and blast into the skies, and face off against the brilliant inventor's greatest foes in action-packed battles using his iconic abilities and high-tech customizable armor. So, it says the game's one player, of course, and it has 50 gigabyte minimum download. Cool. Let's see what's inside this box here. So you guys can kind of see. I'm imagining this is the move controllers maybe in here, or maybe the actual game's going to be in here. It is, and it's a physical copy of the game. Oh, it is. I was right. It was both. So I got a PlayStation VR little cleaning cloth. It's kind of dope. And then here is the game, Ironman VR. So that's dope. I heard that it's pretty cool how it's not on rails, is what I was told today when I was talking to somebody about it. I ordered this a week or two ago, so that's cool. Oh, did not realize it came with this PlayStation VR Demo Disc 3. So here's that. Let's see what games it comes with. Demos of Astrobot Rescue Mission, Thumper, Battlezone, Headmaster, Moss, The Persistence, Super Hot VR, Kitchen, and Job Simulator. PlayStation Move controllers required to play these demos. Cool. So this is dope. I'm planning on buying Beat Saber today, and I also plan on maybe going. Someone told me that the Creed game is really good. This guy was talking to at GameStop, and I trust. I'm not gonna say I don't trust people, but I take, what salesmen say, of course, with a grain of salt sometimes, because, I get it. I worked in sales. I never lied about product, though. So, I, want to believe that, this person's not lying either. But you gotta be careful. So, PlayStation Move controllers. Oh, man, this is a throwback. Because I have a set of Move controllers already. Because I had the original PlayStation Move. So now to have these again, but for VR, it's interesting. And do I have it down here? Maybe. I think it's sitting over here. I want to grab this real quick and show people if it is sitting over here. Is it? No, it's just my old PlayStation 3 controllers. And I thought it must be up in my bedroom. But basically, I also had the Move controllers. You know, you had these, but then there also was a controller with the joystick on it that you could do in combination. So you could do like the archery. Well, archery you needed 2 of these still, but like, or you didn't need 2 of them, I guess. You could do just the one, but you know. So this is cool. So new Move controllers. That's nice. And so I guess what's over inside this box, obviously, is the headset and the rest of the stuff. So let's PlayStation VR quick start guide. Power up your PlayStation VR. So it should come with an HDMI cable, USB cable, that's the charge. 2 of them to charge the controllers. An AC adapter, an AC power cord, the headset itself, stereo headphones with earpieces. Oh, that's cool. A processor unit, and then printed materials. So it gives you the whole, you know, way of how you're supposed to set it all up, which is cool and dope. Really kind of looks like it's very, not simple per se, but like the instructions seem very clear. So that's cool. And let me pop this open. Yeah, there's more booklets. You got the little, this is the box right here itself. You have, this is power cables, HDMI cable. Here's the new PlayStation camera. Now, I was curious about this because, as you guys know, I have a PlayStation camera. I'm curious to see this one's much better. I had an option just to buy the headset, you know, but I was like, buying the headset for all the bang for my buck that I was going to get out of buying the complete set, it was just worth me to buy the complete set compared to just buying just the headset. 'Cause I think just the headset was going to run me about $150, $180 or something like that, plus tax. And I was thinking to myself, okay, if I pay this, right, I'm like $100, $150 shy or so of getting a full game, 2 new controllers, a new camera, all this stuff, which, you know, in the case that, you know, the stuff I did get isn't compatible, or not compatible, but doesn't work well still, because I haven't used those Move controllers in years. Let's say there's something wrong with all that stuff, yada, yada, yada. I have all new stuff. So, you know, that's kind of what my thought was with it. So, I'll be curious to see how this new camera works. And, you know, honestly, guys, unboxing-wise, pretty much it. You know, comes with the little, this is nice little holder for the camera. It's a little bit nicer than what's on my current PlayStation headset or PlayStation camera. You know, power cords, all this good stuff. Got instructions for that. And then let's get down here to the bottom before we end this video itself. All these this headset looks pretty decent, actually, honestly, because you actually have little earbuds on. That's kind of cool. I wonder if you can just plug this into your like DualShock 4 as well. Let's take this part off. And here she is. The headset herself, her cables. Bam. Here is the VR headset. It's pretty dope. I have to look and see how you're supposed to actually, you know, put it on and wear it and stuff, but this is pretty cool. Padding feels nice. And you can kind of adjust this way, I think. So that's pretty cool. I'll put that on. I'll be blind as a bat right now. But this is dope. So here's the headset, the cables, the tether to the box. I will be curious to see how this all works out. I will definitely give you guys my thoughts over the VR once I get to play it a little bit, and I'll let you guys know what I think about the Ironman game as well too, along with their games. I've used the VR before, just never a PlayStation VR, so that's why I like Beat Saber's a game I know I want. Cause I really like Beat Saber. It was a lot of fun, and yo, when Vader Immortal comes out, yep, that's gonna be some content that we're gonna have to put on here, guys. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys liked watching this video. For all the D-Rose fans, you know, that they'll come here for the shoes. There'll be some shoes coming. Don't y'all worry. Just stop tripping. And I know there's not a lot of you all tripping, because there's not a lot of y'all. No, but seriously, guys, thank you for, you know, watching the video. I'm hyped to have a PlayStation VR. I'm I'm really hyped for when Squadrons comes out because I'm gonna lose my mind with that, and I'm gonna talk about Squadrons more here in like the coming weeks because I plan on putting back in my Battlefront discs now and playing through that VR mission they did for the Rogue One with the X-Wing, because that was their like test for the PlayStation 4 doing Squadrons. It was like a proof of concept from what I understood when they were trying to, start to greenlight and develop that game. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Until next time, guys, peace, and I will see you guys around later. All right.